So if you're into mud trucks and dirt drag racing, you're not gonna wanna miss this next video. So we're here at Soggy Bottoms. This January weekend, we are checking out all the mud trucks and we're here at the Bounty Hole right now. And it's been an absolute crazy time. You never know what to expect. There you go, let's go, let's go. So I'm here with Ken Donaldson and he's gonna tell me a little bit about his truck.
It's a 1969 Ford Bronco. It's all basically tube chassis now. It's got a 363 cubic inch small block Ford in it, blown and injected on methanol. It makes somewhere around 1,400 horsepower.
1,400 horsepower, man. Hey Ken, so tell me a little bit about what you're trying to achieve today. Tell me about the race.
What we're doing is we're running 200-foot drags right now. And right now this is just a consistency day. So you'd get 2 passes and the 2 most consistent passes wins the pot. Normally we're out here or at some of the other tracks actually doing drag racing like you would on NHRA or anything like that, but just in the dirt. But this one's a little bit different today. Like I said, you just got to try and get the car to run as consistently as you can.
So there you have it. So we're gonna go ahead and keep up with Ken and see how he runs after his first 2 runs. Ken, I gotta tell you, that was an amazing run that I just watched you and witnessed. How do you feel that you ran today?
The first pass was pretty good. The second pass I screwed up a little bit and trying to get the same times, you know, it's kind of tough, especially with something that spins that hard leaving the starting line. So but no, they were both pretty good passes. The first one was definitely a lot better though.
There you have it from Ken here at Soggy Bottoms. Come join us. I'll put their contact below. And also, Ken, I'll be putting your contact information below too. So if you guys want to watch more videos of Ken, you can reach out to him. Sunday morning after a weekend over at Soggy Bottoms was an absolute great time. We got to meet some of the people that work here. Shout out to Arthur Wilds for taking good care of us. We were able to take a closer look at the mud drag tracks. We got to watch a whole bunch of people sink their ATVs in a whole bunch of mud, and my kids just absolutely loved it. There was constant mayhem everywhere you went, but it was a safe, good family time. I'm definitely recommend this place coming back. It was a great time. I love it. If you guys want to know more about Soggy Bottoms ATV Park, go ahead and click on the link below. I'll have it in the descriptions. See you guys in the next video.